Okay, so we are live imaging the beautiful comet. So at the moment, it's been since last year since I imaged the comet. The Comet Atlas was the last one. Get a close up of it. It's pretty cool. Now, at the moment, I'm 7 minutes in, but I'm expecting that I'm gonna get some trailing soon. I think I can already see some trailing here in the nucleus of the comet. It's pretty normal for it to happen. Because the comet is not really, uh, it's not really it's traveling the same speed as the stars. It's traveling faster. So what will happen is Shark will stack the stars and will trail the comet. Shark has a comet align feature as well, but what will happen then is the stars will trail. So it's a love and hate relationship, and um, I did it a bit manually because I don't have the mount connected. I'm gonna do that a bit again. I don't have the mount connected with uh, with cable tonight because I really went in a hurry today, and I was asleep. I woke up at 3:45 a.m. just for this because it's pretty early in the mornings. The comet to image it, it's near the Ursa Major constellation. I think I can. I need to stop soon because the nucleus is trailing a bit already, as you can see. This is the hard part about the comets. I can try a line on a comet feature, but you have to start again. But now what will happen is the stars will trail. Yeah, wow, they're already trailing. That's not good. Not good, no, no. I'm gonna start it again. It's better to align on the stars. As you can see, this is the live view of the comet. You can see how bright it is, and it is low as well. So there is a lot of atmosphere affecting the image. I'm gonna add sigma clipping and some values here. Let's see how that works out. It would help. It would help if the comet is higher, but so we can get a more good view of the tail. But that's not gonna happen because dawn is approaching already. It's not long before the sun comes up. Yeah. I'm gonna check uh, what does this stack look like on serial that I saved. So I know what to expect. Yeah, it looks decent for just 5 minutes exposure. Looks decent, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna dither a bit. This is the pain that I'm gonna have to face tonight because since I'm not connected with the mount, you have to dither manually. To dither manually, I just move the mount both axes every few frames. And I don't have the correct adapters at the moment for the telescope. As you can see, I have a bit of tilt on this side, which is not evident on the other side. So I'm literally holding the adapters with tape at the moment. So yeah, when the adapters arrive, it will be much better. But China shipping is slow, as you know. It's not the fastest shipping method. But you save money there. Okay, I'm gonna do there slightly again. Have to do there every few minutes. Because if not, you'll get walking noise, which is horrible. Walking noise. It's better to take the time and do that during the capturing, because then you'll be screwed with walking noise. It's the close-up shot of the comet. I love the color of comets. It's green, that greenish color is beautiful. I love it. I have seen some amazing pictures of this comet from other astrophotographers. What's the annoying thing is, as you can see, the comet will start to trail a bit. So you can't really go long. I can't really leave it for an hour here, stacking, because then you will be getting a trailed comet. To be honest, I don't mind a bit of trailed nucleus that much. As long as you don't zoom in, you don't see it. But if it's trailed a lot, yeah, it will show off. If it's trailed slightly like it is now, you don't really see it because the core is already a bit brighter than the comet itself. So you can see Jupiter as well, but I don't really have the gear to image it at the moment. I don't have my city. It would be nice to image Jupiter tonight, but I'm not really set up for planetary imaging. And to set up, you need like half an hour or something like that. It's not worth it. Especially, especially with the Cassegrain, since you have to collimate it before. And the Cassegrain is a bit of a pain to collimate, not like a newtonian. Newtonian is easier to collimate. And this is the comet that you probably heard about lately. There is a comet in the sky. Not Comet Atlas, this one, or whatever it's called, the other one. This is Comet Lemmon. Comet C slash 2020, Comet C slash 2025 Lemon in the brackets. Let's call this one. It's much more viable at imaging because the other one I cannot image it at the moment. It's not high enough from here. I think from the southern hemisphere they have a better chance to image it. Save the stack, and later I will try to stack them both together and we'll see what happens. From northern hemisphere. I'm in the northern part of the hemisphere. And the nucleus is trailing. I think I have to stop. I will try stacking both of these results and see what will happen if the nucleus will trail or not. Because if it won't, I will take a bunch of exposures separately and then stack those together. I'm gonna see what happens. Um, because yeah, imaging comets is not my know-how. Like I don't do it regularly because yeah, as you can see, it trailed. That's the limit. I can only go one stack. I don't really think Cyril has a comet trail or something, a comet stack. So yeah, I think I will leave it a bit later to stack more and don't mind the nucleus a bit being blown out because I can't really go. This is the pain with comets. You can't really leave it like 1 hour stacking because it will trail and will look horrible if it will trail. If it trails look like this, it's doubled up. I'm gonna dither a bit manually. As you can see, it moved a bit. It's enough. Every few frames, it's enough if you do that. What you have to use to stop it, like not like normal. If the software you set it up to dither for you, don't have to stop. It will stop by itself. And I'm gonna see what is the current result with auto stretching and what does it look like? It's trailing a bit. I think I better stop here. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Wow. July, and this is what it looks like. The moment, as you can see, is pretty nice. Yeah, it's noisy because it's 10 minutes only, but it's pretty good. The view line on the comet, uh, the stars will look horrible then. I don't really know what you can do. This is Sharp Cap Pro. But yeah, this is pretty much what it will look like. The image, obviously, I need to denoise it as well, because there's a lot of noise. Since it is a pretty short integration, and the noise is inevitable. I would love to leave it like 1 hour stacking, but like I can't really. It keeps trailing. I think there is a way to do it on Cyril. I just don't know how to prevent trailing. I just didn't have the time, put in the time to learn how to do it. But you know, it is what it is. To be honest, I think I can fix the nucleus in processing. I can fix it with the healing brush, so I'm gonna continue a bit and see if I can fix it in processing. Because, the more time you get, the better the image will look, always. So if I can get a bit longer integration and not get less noise, which is really the main issue here, it will look much better. But yeah, you can only, as you can see, I have satellites as well going by. You can only go so much with comets. With comets, it's always a pain. Even last year, the Comet Atlas, I didn't have enough long integration to be honest to remove noise. So yeah, I think I will stop here. And for tonight, I'm glad I got to show you the comet, and I will probably to leave the telescope imaging a bit to do a slight time lapse of the comet moving. So I need to stop stacking to do this. Um, and I will see you in the next video. And good morning. I cannot say good night now, or good night, depending where you are in the globe. Thank you for joining.